Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the AI features in Padlet. Firstly, log into your Padlet and then go to Make a Padlet. The AI features are currently available for personal, teacher and school staff accounts. You'll see this Create with AI section here, where you can create everything from a classroom activities list, a reading list, a map of historical events, assessment polls, rubric. But today we're going to be doing the lesson plan. In this section here, you can tell the AI everything you would like the lesson plan to include. So I'm going to do the subject of engineering. I'm going to pick the grade as higher education. This is in American, so higher education would be FE level for UK colleges. For the topic, I'm going to choose understanding alternating currents, and I want to set a lesson objective as learning that a rotating magnetic field, when driven by a mechanical force, can produce an electrical voltage. If you have any standards you would like the lesson plan to align with, you can put that here. I'm going to be putting in the British Standards Institution. If you have any additional details you would like to put in, you can put that here. So I'm going to put the lesson duration as 60 minutes. I want it to include images, simulations and GIFs. I would like it to include the use of VR headsets and an immersive room. I would also like it to include a hands-on demonstration, a practical lab, a Q&A by the tutor, and a video of an AC motor working. I would also like it to use UK links, websites and images only. Once I'm happy with all the information I've put in, I can just press create. As you see while it's loading, you can see it's giving me everything that I asked for: learning objectives, instructional activities, assessment ideas, a way of closing the lesson, and even homework ideas. So for the lesson objective, it's got by the end of the lesson, students will comprehend the principles of alternating currents and understand how a rotating magnetic field driven by a mechanical force can produce an electrical voltage, which is what I asked for. It's also showing how it's aligning with the standards that I asked for, the British Standards Institution. The instructional activities idea is quite nice. It starts off with a brief overview of electricity basics, focusing on the difference between direct currents and alternating currents. It's also using the simulation idea that I asked for. It's got nice visual pictures. It's also got the VR headset experience with the immersive room. It's got some videos that you can play, and you can even full screen if you would like. Underneath each of the activity ideas, it gives you a little description of what the activity includes, and then it's got the discussion and Q&A that I asked for. It's got a nice formative and summative assessment ideas. It's got a lesson reflection for the end. It's even got students using Padlet posting a summary of what they have learned in the lesson. And then for the homework idea, it's got an online simulation exercise, which asks them to go and use a link to an online game or simulation that allows further exploration of AC generation and its applications in engineering. And it is ensuring that the link is UK based and accessible for all students. So it's given me everything I asked for in the lesson plan, and it's also given me really nice visuals for students to look at. If I would like to turn this into a presentation instead, I can go to the share panel up here. I can go to the share tab, and then I can click on slideshow, and it turns the entire lesson plan into a really nice slideshow that I can go through as the lesson takes place. It's got all the titles of the sections, and then it's got a page with information each of the lesson plan sections, and you can even play the videos from within the slideshow. You can share this slideshow further by going to this share menu. You can share it via a link to the slideshow. You can share every slide as an image. You can also save it as a PDF if you would like. You can also get this slideshow to automatically go between the different slides by going to auto. You can select how long you would like slides to play for, and you can also loop the slides so they'll just continuously play. So hopefully that gives you a really nice idea on how to use Padlet to create with AI a lesson plan. Please check out the other videos such as the classroom activities list, and hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.